The Michigan DNR Belmont Walleye and Fathead Minnow rearing ponds are located just north of Grand Rapids near the town of Belmont. The 3 ponds cover 9 acres and water levels are determined by control structures, allowing the level of the ponds to be adjusted seasonally. In the winter, water levels are lowered, exposing the bottomlands. The largest pond has an area of approximately 6.5 surface acres and serves as a primary walleye rearing pond. The other 2 ponds serve as minnow ponds to sustain the walleye population. Fathead minnows are stocked in all of the ponds and reproduce quickly, providing forage for the walleye throughout the summer. According to the local DNR fisheries biologist, since 2017, an average of approximately 7,500 walleye are reared each year in these ponds. The ponds are stocked with spring fingerling walleye from either the DNR Jackson or Muskegon ponds. The average size of fish harvested in the fall has been quite variable across the years, ranging from 5 inches to just under 7 inches in length. There are structures consisting of wooden pallets weighed down by cinder blocks to create structural habitat for the walleye and minnows. The ponds also provide habitat for local and migratory waterfowl. The area can be accessed via the Rogue River Trail, with trailheads at Rogue River Park off of Belmont Avenue and a small parking lot off of Packard Drive. The ponds are surrounded by wooded areas and wetlands. Partnered with the West Michigan Walleye Club, the Michigan DNR used the walleye reared in these ponds to supply walleye to many water bodies across Michigan. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to Darter Media for more videos about the great outdoors.